In this video, we will discuss about the reductions of PDE into standard forms. In a previous video, we discussed about the consideration of capital X. Now, in this video, we will discuss about the consideration of capital Y, and after that, consideration of capital Z. Now, we replace small y by capital Y by taking capital Y equal to reciprocal of the factor of I in the quotient of q small q into dy. That means from the quotient of small q, we consider the factor of phi and its reciprocal as the integral. Since the small p equal dou z by dou x, we can merge x into small p and z into small p. We cannot merge y into small p. Since q equal to dou z by dou y, we can merge the variable small y into q and small z into q, but not x is not measured into q. That means we can merge both x and z into small p, y and z in small q. We cannot merge y in small p and we cannot merge x in small q. For example, we consider p square plus q square y square equal to 1. So we write it as in the power of q. That means qy whole square. If we replace small qy with capital Q, then the given dE becomes p square plus capital Q square equal to 1. That belongs to standard form 1. For this, we merge small y into small q. For this, we consider capital Y. For this, the quotient of small q containing factor of phi is y, and its reciprocal is 1 by y. Why? Because in the formula of capital Y, we consider the reciprocal of factor of y. Do not consider the factor of y. That means integral of reciprocal is nothing but 1 by y into dy. That equal log y. That means by taking capital Y equal to log of small y, q in small q into y equal to capital Q. What is capital Q? Is nothing but dou z by dou capital Y. Generally, small q is dou small z by dou small y. In this problem, we replace small y with capital Y. Hence, in this notation of small q, we replace small y with capital Y. Z is as usual. Hence, we get the capital Q as dou small z by dou capital Y. Hence, this belongs to standard form 1. Next, we go to the another example. In this example, we have p plus q by y square equal to z. If we write q by y square equal to capital Q, then the given dE becomes p plus small p plus capital Q equal to z. That belongs to standard form 2. For this, that means we merge small y square into small q. For this, we take capital Y. For the formula of capital Y, we consider the factor of y in the quotient of q. The quotient of q is nothing but 1 by y square. That equal to 1 by y square. Its reciprocal, that means reciprocal of 1 by y square is y square. In the capital Y formula, we consider the integral of reciprocal. That means integral of y square into dy. That means y cube by 3. That means by considering capital Y equal to small y cube by 3, we get q by small y square equal to capital Q. As usual, capital Q equal to dou small z by dou capital Y. That means in small q notation, we replace small y with capital Y. We write z is as usual. Why? Because we do not change the variable small z. We only change the variable small y with capital Y. Thus, it belongs to standard form 2. In this example, we write p minus q cube y square equal to 1. This term q cube y square can be written as power of q. To write it the power of q, this is a q power is 3. We take q power equal to 3. Here y square, we write the y square term in power of whole cube. For the adjustment, we write it to y power 2 by 3 into 3. Y power 2 by 3 into 3. If we cancel 3, we get y square. From this, if we replace q into y power 2 by 3 with capital Q, then we get small p minus q cube equal to 1. This belongs to standard form 1. For this, to merge small y in small q, we take capital Y. Factor of y in the q is nothing but y power 2 by 3. Its reciprocal is 1 by y power 2 by 3. According to the formula of capital Y, we consider this integral of the reciprocal. Y power 2 by 3 is taken into numerator, then y power minus 2 by 3, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, y power 1 by 3 by y 1 by 3. That means by considering capital Y equal to y, small y power 1 by 3 by 1 by 3, then small q into small y power 2 by 3 is changed into capital Q. By substituting it in the given equation, it reduces to p minus q cube equal to 1, which belongs to standard form 1. Now we see how to we replace small z by capital Z. The formula for capital Z is integral of factor of z in the quotient of p and q. That means while we want to replace small z with capital Z, the association of small z with small p and capital Q must be same. For example, suppose we consider this problem. Here the association of z with p is z square and the association of z with q is also z square. That means z appears in the quotients of p and q must be same. In that case, we can merge z in both p and q. Suppose if we consider this example, z square into small p plus z into q. Here the appearance of z in small p as z square. Here the appearance of z in q as z. That means the appearance of z in p and q is not same. Hence in this case we cannot merge z in p and q. Consider this example, z square into p square plus q square equal to x square plus y square. You multiply z square, then z square p square plus z square q square equal to x square plus y square. We write it the some power of p, that means zp whole square plus zq whole square equal to x square plus y square. If we replace z into small p by capital P, z into small q by capital Q, then the given dE becomes p square plus q square equal to x square plus y square. This is the PDE which contains PQ and XY, does not contain Z, hence it belongs to standard form 3. To convert this, that means small z is merged into both P and Q. Whether we check the appearance of Z, that means association of Z with P and Q must be same. Here the quotient of P is Z, also the quotient of Q is also Z. Since this is same, we can change this small z with the capital Z. The factor of the quotient of P and Q equal to Z. While considering capital X and capital Y, we consider the reciprocals. But in case of capital Z, we consider the direct factor, we do not consider the reciprocal. That means integral of Z into dz equal to Z square by 2. That means by taking capital Z equal to small z square by 2, small z into P changes to capital P, small z into Q is changed to capital Q. Here capital P equal to dou capital Z by dou small x, capital Q equal to dou small z by dou small y. That means in this reduction we change the variables small z with capital Z and x comma y are not changed. So as the fundamental notations of small p and small q, we change only small z with capital Z. We do not change small x and small y. We do not change small x and small y. This is belongs to standard form 3. We consider another more example on consideration of Z. Suppose the given D is like this: P into Q equal to x power m into y power n by z power L. By write the z power all to the left hand side, PQ by z power L. We distribute z power L equal to PQ. That means P by z power L by 2 into Q by z power L by 2. Hence, in this case, the appearance of Z with P and the appearance of Z with Q is both are same. Now, if we replace small p by z power L by 2 equal to capital P, small q by z power L by 2 equal to capital Q, then the given dE becomes P into Q equal to x power m into y power n. This belongs to standard form 3. For this consideration, we take factor of Z in the quotient of both P and Q equal to 1 by Z power L by 2. 1 by Z power L by 2. For the capital Z, we consider the factor of Z. Don't consider the reciprocal. In case of capital X and capital Y, we consider its reciprocals. But in case of capital Z, we consider the only factor of small z. That means factor of small z in both P and Q is nothing but 1 by Z power L by 2. Integral of 1 by Z power L by 2. We take Z power L by 2 the numerator, Z power minus L by 2. We use the x power n formula, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. By considering capital Z equal to small z power L by minus L by 2 plus 1 by minus L by 2 plus 1, we can change P by Z power L by 2 equal to capital P, small q by Z power L by 2 equal to capital Q. Hence P into Q equal to x power m into y power n, which is in standard form 3.